Okay, so today I'll be showing you on how to remove duplicates from a list using Python. There are several ways that you can do this. One, you can use list comprehension, you can use sets, you can also look through your list and remove duplicates. But I'll be showing you a simpler way on how to remove duplicates from a list without a lot of coding. So let's get started. So one, define a function. We call it duplicates. Then we'll create a list containing duplicates, call it list1. And then we all know a list can contain different data types. You can have integers, you can have strings, you can have boolean. So I'll start with integers 1, 2, 3, and then create duplicates, duplicate 1, duplicate 3, and then I'll create a string, probably oranges, and then create a boolean false, and then I'll duplicate oranges and false. Well, at the end of this, what we want to achieve is we want to get list1. We want to make sure that we have a list1 doesn't have duplicates in it. So the first thing that we'll have to do is change list1 to a dictionary. We all know dictionaries contain keys and values, and dictionary don't accept duplicates. So once we change this list into a dictionary, then it automatically gets rid of the duplicates in this list1. So we'll do this by saying list1 is equals to dictionary dot from keys and then list1. So basically at this point we are turning the items in list1 into keys of this dictionary. Okay, we can print this and see what we have, and then we can print list1. Of course, this won't run unless we call our function. We need to call our function, call duplicates, and we call it like that. We save and we run. Okay, let me clear the terminal and run it again. Well, so from what you are seeing here, we have already made list1 a dictionary because it has a key and a value. For now, the value for each of these keys is none because we never specified it. We can go ahead and specify it. We can say value is equals to Tuesday. Okay, and then we can come here and say value so that we can assign each one of these keys 1, 2, 3 oranges and false a value to it. Okay, and then we save it, clear the terminal, and run it again. Now you can see each key has got a value to it. Okay, but now our agenda wasn't to turn the list1 into a dictionary. We wanted to make sure that we make list1 a list without duplicates. So let's continue. So now to do that, let me first remove this value. To do that, we'll have to create a list constructor. So we'll create a list constructor to change a list constructor to change a dictionary back to a list, because from this point here we converted a list to a dictionary to get rid of the duplicates, and now we need to change the dictionary back to a list in order to return a list instead of a dictionary. So we use list, and then we do like this and like this, and this way here we have changed this dictionary here into a list. So we expect whatever that is being returned here, this one to return a list instead of a dictionary. So let's save it and run it again. Okay, so as you can see, we have a list here without duplicates. Okay, happy Tuesday.